Hey, what's up guys? I'm here to tell you about the Whirlpool Duet. It's the dryer that I have in my house. This actually came with the house, so I did not pick it out, but I'm definitely very happy with it. It's a front-loading dryer. It's very easy to use, and I'm not sure exactly what the model number is, but you guys could see on here. It's like your regular standard Whirlpool dryer, but it's like very fast and efficient, which I like. So you could pick, the temperature you want. You just press these buttons to kind of, I have it off right now, but you could kind of press these and it'll allow you to choose what settings you want. So you could go from high, medium, low, extra low, air only. You could turn the wrinkle shield on, which is great and works wonders, especially, if you don't want any wrinkles in your clothes, which who wants that? And who wants to spend time ironing? So it'll definitely help with that. Then you also have the end of cycle signal, which you could put on softer, louder, off, to let you know when your clothes are finished drying. Then you could hold for 3 seconds to lock or unlock control. So everything is really self-explanatory on here. Then if you need to pause or cancel, you have this red button. You could add more or less time, and it tells you how much time is remaining, which is perfect. Then to actually start the wash, so super easy. Front loading, handles on the left side over here. So once you put all your wash in, and then you could put on, like I just usually leave it on normal, but say you have a lot of bulky items, you could choose this. It goes from heavy duty, normal, bulky, casual, delicate, and then you could pick the dryness level you want, so you could put less or more. Then I love this too, it'll tell you the status, so this goes in the order of how it dries your clothes, so it goes from sensing to wet, damp, cool down, and then cycle complete. And then if wrinkle shield or controlled lock is on, then these buttons will be on as well. So it's super easy to use. I like that it tells you, if you want to do automatic cycles or manual cycles, to do a quick dry, touch up, or time dry. It's really great. It's so easy to wipe clean too. I'm not sure what the material is, but you could just use Windex or a wet wipe to kind of wipe this down. And then I always add a dryer sheet as well. So kind of see, I'm not really sure exactly what the measurements are, but it's pretty big, and this is definitely safe with any type of dryer sheet you want to add. As you can see here, this is what it looks like, all the settings. It's a Duet because I guess they do make a washing machine that goes perfectly with this. It's not the one I have, but I think this dryer works fine with any washing machine. You guys can see. Let me show you inside too. So you just clean this out before each load. Has the warnings on here. Explosion hazard, keep flammable materials and vapors such as gasoline away from dryer. Do not dry anything that has ever had anything flammable on it, even after washing, and failure to follow these instructions can result in death, explosion, or fire. So just be careful with that. And then the other fire hazards here: no washer can completely remove oil. Do not dry anything that has ever had any type of oil on it, including cooking oils. Items containing foam, rubber, or plastic must be dried on a clothesline or by using an air cycle. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death or fire, so just be careful. And then, of course, the lint trap, clean before each load. So super easy, just pulls right out. Some lint on here that wasn't gotten before. Oh, I guess this is like, this part is harder to come out. Oh, that's actually really stuck on there. Yeah, this thing will be completely full, and then you could kind of just pull the lint out and toss it. So super easy to clean. You don't have to rinse it or anything like that. And just put it back in, slides right back into place. You can shut your door. And Whirlpool is definitely a really well-known brand, so I think that'll definitely help in ensuring that it's a good product. I'm sure it has a warranty on it as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Have a great night.